Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a price update video on cryptocurrency, and we also have a little bit of an update on blockbusterstech. So, to go ahead and get started with this, let's take a look at the general market. So, guys, we can see that right now Bitcoin is holding its ground above $25,000, just a little bit below 26,000, and Ethereum at 1,640. BNB is at 214. XRP is hanging in there at 49 cents, just under 50 cents. And overall, the market is pretty flat, actually. We go move over here to the Bitcoin price. We had 3 red day candles, and you guys can see just how absolutely abysmal, yeah, fancy word right there, right? How abysmal the volume is on this day. And there's less than 10 minutes left to go. Curious to see how the next daily candle will form, but given that it is a weekend, and I believe it's a holiday weekend, isn't it? I think it is. Labor Day weekend or something. Anyways, so yeah, volume extremely low right now. And we did have some similar, in fact, even lower volume days going back to that of August 26th and August 27th. But right now, I would really keep an eye on this level, guys, just at about $25,300. I'd like to see if it can hold that. We did tap this here back on August 22nd. We did this here on September 1st. And going back, I had this line pre-established from old trading charts all the way back to around June 5th. And so all I did was I just basically extended that line out. And to my surprise, we see that that is still a key level even for today's standard. For Ethereum, we do have that crossover event. So this is officially a death cross, a very significant base technical analysis indicator. So the 50 and 200 moving average, that 50 being on the green line, the 200 being the yellow line, this suggesting a bearish time period for Ethereum. Not a great sign. And we do see a bounce that happened right down here on that trend line of $1,600 for Ethereum yesterday. It held its ground though. It's up a little bit here, green on the day. But guys, there are some significant concerns that this is going to end up dropping down and breaking below this key level of support. And if that breaks down below, given where we're currently at right now, I would be looking at around 1,580 next, and then dropping potentially all the way down to around 1,367. So some significant pullbacks are potentially on the table, but hopefully this does start to make a rally up. These two convergences are pretty close together. Maybe it could be a short-lived time period, but overall, this is not a great sign there. BNB, after 3 days of red candles, same thing. We're seeing green, and the volume is still pretty low on this one as well. SafeMoon on the Binance Smart Chain side, 3 red candles in a row, down 1.28%, $7,100 in buy volume versus $19,000 in sell volume. SafeMoon over on Ethereum has had a green candle, red candle, and then a red candle. So 2 days of red. It's up 0.46%, $2,100 in buy volume, $723 in sell volume. So it looks like a red candle, but compared to 24 hours ago, I should say, it's actually up 0.46%. And then for SafeMoon on Polygon, after 3 red daily candles, there's a little bit of green here, though compared to 24 hours, it's 24 hours ago, it's suggesting it's down 0.41%, $216 in buy volume, $152 in sell volume. Then blockbusterstech. So they put this post up here on Twitter. They said, "Hey BBTF fam, thank you for celebrating our birthday month with us." Can you guys believe that? We're already looking at this being a year. Quick updates, new fee design, staking and elastic staking deployed, new V2 contracts, airdrop alert. We've taken a snapshot of all holders and will be airdropping BBTF equal to old pending rewards plus an extra 20%. Transition rewards. Any rewards held during our V2 transition will be automatically rolled into the new V2 distributor over time. Here's a new year of growth and rewards. Okay. Then we move over here. What happened with the BBTF price? And this isn't really that surprising. There's buy the rumor, sell the news. If you guys have never heard of that before, this news comes out, and boom, there was a bit of a hit that took place. So it's down 17.56% on the day, $15,000 in buy volume, $27,000 in sell volume. And to give you guys an idea, we're back to levels we saw on August 27th. So it's not a major setback by any standard. In fact, where we're at right now, those previous highs that took place back in February, we're still in that range. So yeah, it looks pretty bad on the daily candle, but in the bigger picture of things, this actually looks pretty healthy. So hopefully we start to see these green candles starting to make another rally, moving on up and aiming towards going to that penny. Just in case you guys are curious, let's go ahead and look at the price range on this. And did they move some of this stuff around on me? Where did it go? Hold on. I'm looking for my price range. I don't see my pause button on my OBS now either. I just realized that since I got this new computer. I'm having a brain fart moment. I hope you guys forgive me. Sometimes these things happen. Anyways, okay, found it. So we go ahead and click on this line here. Hey, I'm not perfect. And we go up to about 1 cent. So that's like a 981% percentage increase, guys. 981% increase from here. Think about if you came in for the first time in BBTF, you're watching this video. If it was to go to a penny, you'd be up 981%, whatever it is that you put in there. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.